Subfields of artificial intelligence. Here are some important subfields of artificial intelligence. Machine learning. Machine learning is the art of studying algorithms that learn from examples and experiences. Machine learning is based on the idea that some patterns in the data were identified and used for future predictions. The difference from hard-coding rules is that the machine learns to find such rules. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning. Deep learning does not mean the machine learns more in-depth knowledge. It uses different layers to learn from the data. The depth of the model is represented by the number of layers in the model. For instance, the Google Learnet model for image recognition counts 22 layers. Natural language processing. A neural network is a group of connected I/O units where each connection has a weight associated with its computer programs. It helps you to build predictive models from large databases. This model builds upon the human nervous system. You can use this model to conduct image understanding, human learning, computer speech, etc. Expert systems. An expert system is an interactive and reliable computer-based decision-making system that uses facts and heuristics to solve complex decision-making problems. It is also considered at the highest level of human intelligence. The main goal of an expert system is to solve the most complex issues in a specific domain. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is defined as a many-valued logic form that may have truth values of variables in any real number between 0 and 1. It is the Handel concept of partial truth. In real life, we may encounter a situation where we can't decide whether the statement is true or false. Types of artificial intelligence. There are three main types of artificial intelligence: rule-based, decision tree, and neural networks. Narrow AI is a type of AI that helps you perform a dedicated task with intelligence. General AI is a type of AI intelligence that can perform any intellectual task efficiently like a human. Rule-based AI is based on a set of predetermined rules that are applied to an input dataset. The system then produces a corresponding output. Decision tree AI is similar to rule-based AI in that it uses sets of predetermined rules to make decisions. However, the decision tree also allows for branching and looping to consider different options. Super AI is a type of AI that allows computers to understand human language and respond in a natural way. Robot intelligence is a type of AI that allows robots to have complex cognitive abilities, including reasoning, planning, and learning. Where is AI used? Examples. Now in this AI for Beginners tutorial, we will learn various applications of AI. AI has broad applications. Artificial intelligence is used to reduce or avoid repetitive tasks. For instance, AI can repeat a task continuously without fatigue. AI never rests, and it is indifferent to the task to carry out. Artificial intelligence improves an existing product. Before the age of machine learning, core products were built upon hard code rules. Firms introduced artificial intelligence to enhance the functionality of the product rather than starting from scratch to design new products. You can think of a Facebook image. A few years ago, you had to tag your friends manually. Nowadays, with the help of AI, Facebook gives you a friend's recommendation. AI is used in all industries, from marketing to supply chain, finance, food processing sector. According to a McKinsey survey, financial services and high-tech communication are leading the AI fields.